Now I'm going to demonstrate how to crochet a puff stitch. I have a base row of double crochet and then 2 double crochet for the current row I'm working on. Now to start with the puff stitch, I'm going to go ahead and yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch. You're going to hook the yarn and you're going to bring it through that stitch, bringing that loop up, making sure the loop is as tall as the stitch next to where you are placing your puff stitch. So here I have a double crochet. I'm making sure that the loop is as tall as the double crochet stitch. This goes the same as if you're working with single crochets, half double crochet, triple crochet, and so on. Okay, and this leaves me with 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to go ahead and yarn over again, insert my hook into that stitch, going to bring up a loop, making sure it's the same height, and this leaves me with 5 loops on my hook. I'm going to go ahead and yarn over again, insert my hook into that same stitch and pull up another loop, making sure it's the same height as the stitch next to it, and this leaves me with 7 loops on my hook. I'm going to go ahead and yarn over and then pull that yarn through all 7 loops on your hook, and then we're going to go ahead and close off that puff stitch with a chain. And that is how you do a puff stitch. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that one more time. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch and pull up a loop, making sure it's the same height as the stitch next to it. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull up another loop, and then yarn over again and pull up the loop, and then yarn over, pulling through all 7 loops on the hook, and then chain 1 to close that off. And that is how you complete a crochet puff stitch.